Go.
Eka, you can go. You can go, Eka, yeah? Go ahead. Peito. Mama Peito.
Ik zag een skiën. Go.
There you go, Mama Peito. I don't know, come on, Boo Boo. Come on, Boo Boo.
Go.
What is today? December 30th. Today's Grandma's birthday. Grandma's 60 today. I know you want to see her, baby.
Okay, go.
Battery's running out.
Dat is een beetje staat skiën is dat lekker. Kun je een beetje sneller skiën? Ja, kun je een beetje sneller skiën. Go. Zo.
Good job, baby. See, Mommy doesn't ski, and I don't really see the fun in that, but okay.
Yeah.
Is it fun? Oopsie.
Slippery. Up. Now let's get up track here a little bit. Okay. Now go.
Go ahead, baby. Mommy's still filming.
Then we'll go to sleep.
Go ahead, Eka.
It's dripping. Go.
Eka, honey, come and turn the camera off, okay?
Go. Go to mama. Go to mama. Want to hold with the blue parts? You don't want them at all. They don't show off. Oh,
Good boy.
Wow.
Look at you.
It's easier, huh? Go.